Me greet them you fellow old friend. You sabe finish se Tabu Spirit long High Court by stop with them old man. Think about time you look long picture long purple color book. You look long narvala picture time you harem sign. Picture 1. Jesus iko anda long heaven. All work chapter 1 verse 1 go kasim 11. Jesus he come down long wall long heaven, planted 2000 year I pass. Hemi come long God long so yumi one him where God he want them to mass. Hemi come to long give him life where he no save finish. Jesus he come long take him back yumi he go long God. All man no good only kill him Jesus, mo kneel him long cross. Long number 3 day after him he kirap long death, he life back again. Plante all workman long him, only look him, mo him he tell him long all geta. You fella he save receive him power, time Tabu Spirit he come, mo you fella he save go, tell him out name long me, long all man. Now Jesus he go and up long heaven, also long picture ya. One day him he save come back long same fashion. Picture 2. Power plong Tabu Spirit he come with them fire. All work chapter 2 verse 1 Kogasm 12. 10 days after Jesus he go and up long heaven, all workman plong him only come together long one place. Picture he show him how power plong Tabu Spirit he come long all geta. Now one time no more only harem big fellow noise he come down long heaven also big fellow wind. All people only look something ya he also fire where he light he spread all about. Mo he touch him all geta everyone. Mo all geta everyone only full up long Tabu Spirit long High God. Also Jesus he tell him out before. Only receive him power, mo only save talk long all different language. Picture 3. Peter he preach long all people. All work chapter 2 verse 14, Kogasm 41. All workman belong Jesus, where only stop long town near Jerusalem, long Israel. He got full of man long Jerusalem mo, some long all Naravala country long wall. Time all workman belong Jesus only kasem power belong God, only talk long all people long all language belong all geta. Only tell him long all man about Jesus Yahweh hemi death mo I life back again. Peter hemi kirap mo italem. One hem you fele I look mo harem hemia hemi kif long Tabu Spirit. One long you fella he must come out long sin. Or something where you know please him God you fella he must take him out. Everyone more baptized long name long Jesus Christ. From something ya sin long you fella by God he forgive him. Mo you fella is have some power ya long Tabu Spirit. Plante man only believe in Peter, only baptized with the water. Also sign where only clean long fast no good mo only receive him Tabu Spirit too. Mo start long follow Jesus. Picture 4. Church mo family. All work chapter 2 verse 42 Kogasm 47. All man we only got power plong God we I Tabu Spirit only stop together all same one big fella family. You missing out them all geta church or all Christian. oli ceremony mo property plong olketa. Mo oli help him olketa we oli kat need. Every day no mo oli praise him God mo pray together. All disciple oli teach him olketa about Jesus. Sometime oli kakai bread mo drink wine together. Long one special time blong kakai. Jesus italem long all workman blong make him something ya. Say you me must make him all same ya too. Suppose you me follow Jesus, bread ya we I prok. Hemi remind them you me. Say hemi ya I body blong Jesus we I prok all same punishment blong sin blong you me. Why nya hemi remind them you me. Say hemi blood blong Jesus we I run blong clean them you me long sin blong you me too. Picture 5. Man we ino save walk about. All walk chapter 3 verse 1 kasem 16. Long one day Peter mochon I walk about I go long house plong pray. Plong tufala I pray. Long get plong house plong God I got one man where I sit down plong ask money. Hemi no save walk about. Hemi ask him Peter mochon from money. Pe Peter italem long hem say, Mimi no got money. Pe me give him one hem where me got long where me got. Long name long Jesus Christ you kirap mo walk about. Peter I hold him hand long hem mo I pull him up hem. Long same time leg mo all angle long hem I come strong. Hemi heal long power long Tabu Spirit. Mo hemi believe long Jesus Christ. Hemi go inside long house long God. Hemi glad I charm mo I praise him God. Picture 6. Peter with the woman where I caman. All walk chapter 5 verse 1 kasem 11. Ananias with the woman blong hem Sapphira. Tufala I salem sambis crown. Mo tufala I plan blong give him every money ya I call long God. Blong church blong hem. Mo time tufala I kasem money ya tufala I karam out half. Money blong God. Mo keep him blong tufala. Ananias I karam half money no mo I go give him long Peter. Mo hemi talam long Peter. Hemia hemi full money. Peter I save se hemi kaman. Mo italam long Ananias. You no save kaman long man. You kaman long God. Long same time ya no mo Ananias I fall down I dead. Some young fella oli karam out hem mo perem hem. Long same time no mo Sapphira I come inside. Mo hemi no save something way I happen. Sapphira I kaman too long Peter about money plong tufala. Long same time ya hem too I fall down I dead. Mo oli perem hem long side plong man plong hem. All friend, you me no must let them laugh plong money. I tanem ting ting plong you me. You me no must kaman long all narafala friend. Mo you me no kaman long God. Picture 7. All man only kill him Stephen. All walk chapter 6 verse 1 kasem chapter 8 verse 3. Stephen hemi one lead up long church where hemi help him all poor man. Hemi go long all place where all man only no save God long him. Plong talk about Jesus. From something ya I make him all chew only cross. Only karam hem I go long God. Mo only kaman long hem say hemi stop make him I wrong. Stephen hemi no fright. Hemi save se Spirit blong God is stop with him. Stephen hemi remind them all true say only kill him Jesus where hemi come long God blong give him new life. All true only cross Thomas mo only take him Stephen he go out long city mo stone him he dead. Only put him close blong Olgeta with him one young man named blong him Paul. Long last talk with Stephen he tell him, Jesus, you take him Spirit blong me. You forgive him all mania long one him only make him. Spirit blong God by he never let go all Christian time only dead. Picture 8. All man Ethiopian. All walk chapter 8 verse 4 Kasim 8 verse 26 Kasim 40. Long Samaria Philip italem long all people about Jesus. More full of man only believe. God italem long Philip say, Hemi go long try place. He got one special man where Hemi come long Ethiopia. Time Hemi come long road long try place. Hemi run long chariot. Hemi stop rhythm talk long God. Pugya Hemi talk about one way he savior long save him every man. Pe man Ethiopia ino save good long him. Holy Spirit i talk long Philip say I go anda long look him. Philip I harem him I stop read. Hemi tell him long him say Pugya I talk about Jesus where God I send him. More Ethiopian man I want them follow Jesus. Time only walk about together I tell him long Philip. Hem ya water. One him is stopping me. Plong me no save baptize. Philip I baptize him Ethiopian. Mo hemi go back long country plong hem. With them glad heart. Mo long same time. Good news plong Jesus. I go long plan the place. Picture 9. Peter I look all animal long fishing. All walk chapter 10 verse 9 Kasim 16. One day Peter I go and up long house long prayer. Mo hemi look long fishing. God is show him long heaven. Hemi look big fella white seat is up. He also square. Long white seat he got full up animal is up long him. Mo Peter I hungry. I harem one voice italem long him. You kira Peter. Kill him mo kakai. Animal where Peter I look no good long kakai. Long low long old man chew. Mo Peter italem no. Master me no save kakai. Something where alarm long kakai. Mo voice I come. You know sing out them one something where God I make him say no good. Long same fishing I come long Peter 3 time. Mo long same time ya sit ya I go back long heaven back again. Picture 10. Peter mo man Rome. All work chapter 10 verse 1 Kasim 8 mo verse 17 Kasim 40. Time Peter I finish long pray. 3 man I come look him. All I come long Narvala town. One man named long him Cornelius. He send them 3 fella long come look Peter. Manya hemi one man Rome where he lita where he want them honor him God. Angel I come tell him long him say hemi must find him Peter. Mo all chu only look long all man Rome say only no clean. Peter I go with them 3 fella mania. long house plong Roman lita. Cornelius stop trying plong worshiping Peter. Peter italam long hem say, "You stand up, me man no moya. From one em you sanem all man only come from me." Cornelius italem one em where angel italem long hem. Mo Peter he talk about Jesus long Cornelius where he saw him long all man long save him God. Mo Cornelius with them every family long him only believe long Jesus mo only receive him spirit long God. God he love him every people, language, skin or color. He want them every man only trust him piganini long him mo save him all time. Picture 11. Peter stop long kalapus. All work chapter 12 verse 1 custom 11. King Herod hemi against him all Christian man long Jerusalem. Hemi put him Peter long kalapus. One night Peter stop sleep. Only put him chain long him mo 2 man got long him. One time no more angel long God he come out mo light is sign long kalapus. Mo angel ya he wake him up Peter mo tell him long him say, "You kirap mo come with me." Long time ya all chain only fall down long hand long Peter mo hemi fall him angel. Tufala he go outside long kalapus. Gate long kalapus he open hem one. Mo he knock at one he stop him tufala. Time tufala he come outside angel he lose. Mo Peter he no look him. Picture 12. Peter with them all friend. All walk chapter 12 verse 12 custom 19. Time Peter is stop yet long kalapus full up friend only come together long pray from him. Time hemi out, hemi go straight long house where only stop. Hemi knock long door. One girl he answer. Time hemi harem voice long Peter. Hemi resist he go tell him long all narrow one. Say, Peter is stop long gate. Only tell him long him say, "You cranky." But Peter is still knock long gate. Time only open him door long gate. Only surprise. Peter he tell him long all geta all same one him caught hemi save him. Long hand long Herod. God he harem pray long all people long him. Jesus he tell him, suppose 2 or 3 only come together long name long me stop with them all geta. Picture 13. Light mo voice where he come long heaven. All walk chapter 9 verse 1 custom 9. Paul hemi one lead up long 2 where hemi against him all Christian mo hemi one long all geta where he stand up mo look only kill him Stephen is dead. Mo 2 hemi want them long stop kill him all believer. One day hemi go long Damascus. Hemi go long persecute them all believer long way. Time hemi go long road. Hemi sick no more. One something he happen long him. Big fella light he sign he come down long heaven. Mo Paul he fall down long ground. One voice he come long heaven. Mo tell him say, Paul, from one name you stop against me. Paul he ask him, "Who ya you Lord?" Mo voice come say, me Jesus where you stop against me. Mo all man we only stop with them Paul, only haram wanem we tok ya italem. Pe olgeta only no look man. Paul ikirap pe hemi no save look. Mo all friend blong hem, only holem hand blong hem, mo litem hem iko paklong Damascus. Picture 14. Ananias with the blind man, Paul. All walk chapter 9, verse 10, Kasim 20. Long 3 day, Paul ino save look, mo hemi no kakai, mo tring. God send them one man iko look Paul, hemi one believer plong God, Ananias. Ananias is save se Paul against him all believer, pe hemi ko look Paul, mo talam long hem se, Brother Paul, Jesus where you look him long road, he send me. Mo italam say, by you look back again. Mo same time, Tabu Spirit is have a full map you. Mo Ananias I put him hand long Paul. Long same time, ya no more Paul I look back again. Mo Paul I full up long Spirit long God too. Mo hemi baptized too. Long time ya, long so him say, hemi come now, one workman long Jesus. Instead blong against him all Christian man, hemi chance ika man blong save him God. Blong tell him out name blong Jesus Christ. Picture 15. All Christian only pray from Paul, more Barnabas. All walk chapter 13, verse 1, Kasim 3. After Paul mo friend blong hem Barnabas, tufala iko blong teach him all Christian long Antioch. One day all leader blong all Christian only fast mo pray. Now only stop fast mo pray. Holy Spirit I talk long all geta say. Let them Barnabas mo Paul tufala I come long me. Plong me use them tufala long walk where me want them tufala plong tufala I make him. God I want them tufala I go long all man where only no haram Jesus yet. Now all leader plong church only put them hand long tufala mo pray long tufala. Mo send them tufala I go out plong tell them out good news. Now church plong God today I must send them some missionary too. Also Jesus I tell them. Go long every place long wall mo tell them out good news plong gospel. Picture 16. Paul hemi preach about Jesus. All walk chapter 13 verse 4. Kokasim 52. Paul mo Barnabas tufala iko long planted town. Tufala I meet them all chu. Long house plong pray mo tufala I teach him all geta. All same God long all man chu I choose him out all papa plong yumi. Mo make him all geta. Only come all great people mo I give him all geta great leader. Mo only teacher too. Only talk about one way I savior. I save come blong save him all geta from all sin. Where hemi Lord Jesus. Time hemi come all true only no save say huya Jesus. Jesus I no make him want something where I no good pe only kill him. Pe nothing God I make him hemi life back again. Long death. Hemi no more death back again. Now altogether everyone where only put them believe blong all get along Jesus only come and blong God. All get away only no believe mo got two thing mo no believe by only death. Some chu mo some narafalaman tu only believe him talk where Paul italem mo some church is stand up be full up belief. Picture 17. Vision blong Paul where he look long man. All walk chapter 16 verse 6 kasem den. Some year ipas Paul go visit them all church. Hem with them all friend only want them go preach long Petania. Mo Tabu Spirit is stop them all geta. Only no save say we bless now by only go. One night Paul he look one vision. Hem he look one man Macedonia. Mo man ya italem long Paul say. You come long Macedonia, mo help me fala. Now Paul is save say God is stop kaitem olgeta, plong ko long Macedonia. God hemi kaitem olgeta we only want them follow Jesus. Sometime hemi kaitem through long dream. But every time God he lead them, you me long talk long hem where he stop long Bible. Picture 18. Paul mo Silas long time long earthquake. All walk chapter 16 verse 16 kasem 35. Paul with them friend long hem Silas tufala I cross him Solwada I go long Macedonia. Tufala I teach him all geta about Jesus. Some only believe, but all nara one only no believe mo only cross where only put him Paul mo Silas long Galapus. After where only whip him tufala. Long night Paul mo Silas I pray mo sing I go long God long Galapus. Same time big fella earthquake I second bless. Although all open mo all chain long Galapus only loose. Security I think say all prisoner only runway. Hemi fry Thomas mo hemi ting blong kill him one I dead. From him now I look out them all geta. But Paul is sing out long him. You no kill him you want. Me fala everyone is stop ya. Mo security I races I go inside. Mo talam long Paul say. One him now by me make him long safe. Paul I talam long him say. Believe long Jesus mo you safe. With them glad heart security mo all family only believe. Picture 19. Paul with them all man we only worship him idol. All walk chapter 17 verse 16 kasem 34. Long city long Athens all man I worship him idol. All man Athens I want them save one him where Paul is stop talk about. Mo Paul italem long all man Athens say. Me look you fella I religious to mass. Time me walk about around long city long you fella me look one idol where only right say long God where you me no save. Me want them tell them long you fella about God where one long you fella no save. Paul italem long all get about true God where he make him all get something. He me talk about God where he life. Ino God where you me make him long gold or silver. Paul italem story long Jesus where God he make him me life back again long death. Saman I laugh long hem, pe ol narawan oli belief, mo finem rot long life, we ino save finish. Yumi tu yumi save long God Yahweh yumi no save before. Picture 20. Paul iko long courthouse. All work chapter 18 verse 1 kasim 17. Paul iko long city long Koran. All man Koran only weak. Mo all man Chu only give him plan the trouble long Paul. One night Jesus he talk long Paul say, you no fright, but you must stop talk. You no make him think long you. Iko town, me stop with him you. You no got one something is have against him you. Now Paul is stop long Koran. Full of man only believe long talk long him. One day all two only against him Paul. Mo put him long God. Only against him say hemi teach him kaman talk long all man. Long all something ya Kaufman hemi no listen long all talk mo karam out all keta long God. All man Koran only whip him lit up long all two. Mo Paul hemi safe. God is save help him you me plong save talk long all man long time long danger. Picture 21. All soldier only rescue Paul long all two. All work chapter 21 verse 1. Ko kasim chapter 22 kasim 24. Paul iko head long visit them all Christian long all Naravla country. Some believer only remind them Paul long hemino ko long Jerusalem. Only save say all two only want them kill him. Pe Paul italem say me ready long death from name long Jesus. Now Paul iko back long Jerusalem. Straight away all two only force him all people long only kill him Paul long straight. Pe some Roman soldier only try long rescue him. Now Paul is stand up outside long forest long camp long all Roman soldier. Hemi tell him long all people how hemi come workman long Jesus. Pe only sing out pick one against long him. You fella I karam out him, kill him hemi dead. All soldier only put him Paul long galabus long save him from all two. Picture 22. Paul I preach long king. All work chapter 25, Kasim chapter 26. Paul is stop long galabus 2 year. All two only try long kill him. But Jesus he come out long Paul. Motalam say, you know save fright. You by you tell them out me long all people long Rome. Paul is stand up long forehead long Agrippa, king long all two. Pe hemi no save fright. Paul I tell him long two fella together, king mo queen, about one name Jesus he make him long life long him. Plong tell him long all man about Jesus Christ. King Agrippa close up, he come long believe long power long Jesus. Hemi save se Paul he no make him want something he wrong. Want something no more. Hemi no got power long release him. Mo hemi tell him long Paul say hemi must go long Rome. Long stand up long forward long empire where hemi got more power beat him all geta. Picture 23. Ship erect. All Work chapter 27 verse 1. Kokasem 44. All soldier oli taken ball iko long Rome. Wetem all nara prisoner. Oli cross him sol water long one ship. Ship I face him one big fella wind. All man oli think say by oli dead. One angel I tell him long Paul say, you no fright, Paul. You must stand up long forehead long empire. God by I save him you. With them all people were only stop with them you too. You know long time ship I come close up long island. More I start long brok long big fella wave. All people only charm long salt water. More all gather everyone only safe long so. God I got plan long life long Paul. From something ya inoka trouble I come long him. Picture 24. Paul also a prisoner long Rome. All Work chapter 28 verse 10 custom 31. Long 2 year more Paul is stop also prisoner long Rome. All people I come long him I tell him out story long Jesus long all geta. He write the go long all church round long all place where I got all believer. All letter ya I stop long Bible. Only long you me today. Paul emi sacrifice him plan de plong serum talk plong God. Ika time where only whip him. Only stone him or hungry. More custom time only kill him long Rome. More God I give him big fella reward long heaven. All friend with them power long Holy Spirit let them you me spread them message ya too. Now wall by isave say Jesus isave give him life where you know save finish with them God.